Hello and welcome to the Technocrats Design and Job Consultancy. I am your teacher for mechanical design. After a long period, today I will explain the modeling of water tank which we regularly use in our houses. You can work it as a tutorial as well as it will be very beneficial for its design in future. Okay, without wasting time, we will start our design. So I show you this is the water tank which we will model in our CATIA software. One PDF is given. In this PDF all dimensions for this water tank is given. We can use these dimensions. Okay, so we are starting our modeling. Go to the CATIA software. Now go to start mechanical design, part design. This is a new part design. Okay, rename it as water tank and press OK. Now we entered into the part design modeling workbench. So how we will start this? First of all, select front plane or YZ plane. Go to the sketcher. First of all, we will draw the outer body of this tank. So what are the dimensions and what sketch we need to draw now? So carefully see here what I am doing and you can follow me. First of all, I will start from this point and I will draw the half section of this water tank. Okay, I am taking this profile command, starting from here. I am drawing approximately values. This is the approximate half shape. The bottom shape is curvature, that's why I am drawing a curve at the bottom side of this tank. I am using this arc command. Initially I am taking all approximate dimensions, not final dimensions. Just I am drawing the structure. After that I will constrain all the dimensions. Okay, now what are the dimensions? I am seeing this PDF. The total diameter is 1000 mm. So constrain from this outer line to this center line. It is the radius of tank and it will be 500 mm. Okay, the shape is not correct, don't worry about this, it will be automatically corrected after complete constraint. And this is the 600 mm, so this line is of 200 mm dimension. From this line to this point the dimension is 200. Okay, what is the arc dimension? This is R1000. So constrain this, radius is 1000. Make sure this end point of curve is on this vertical axis. And another dimension, total height is 1200 mm and this top cover resting dimensions are 30 into 30 and the middle hole is 400 mm. Okay, so constrain remaining dimensions. From this point, sorry, from this point to this vertical axis it is 200 mm. Total height is 1200 mm. This line to horizontal axis it is 1200 mm. Okay, don't worry about shape. adjust somewhere here. This is 30 mm, this is also 30 mm. Okay, up to here it is complete. Now you can see here we drawn a straight line, but actually it is not a straight line, this is a curvature. So we can replace this straight line with a curve. So delete this. 3-point arc. Okay, so approximately place here first point, second point and third point. Okay, both end points are coincidence. So now you can see the dimension 760 mm, or approximately the radius of this arc is 750 mm. So constraint this 750 mm radius. Okay, up to here it is complete. For making fully constraint, we are dimensioning this line also. Approximately we are taking 1050 mm. Okay, now I want to say that we will use shaft command. So for using shaft command, it is a condition that our sketch should be closed and there should not be any open point. Now you can see here two open points are there. This is first open point, second open point. So temporarily we should close these points. We will remove after completion, so it is for only temporary purpose. Okay, now this is a closed sketch. Now you can draw an axis. This is a central axis of this tank. Exit workbench and use shaft command. The selection is automatically selected sketch 1 and axis is also automatically selected, that is sketch axis. So preview and OK. This is our basic body we created. After that we will create the ribs, side ribs. Here 3D is also available. What are the dimensions of side ribs? The successive distance is 150 mm and the thickness of this width of rib is 50 mm and thickness is 10 mm. So we will draw first rib. Select same plane, go to the sketcher. Now draw a rectangle here and constrain it. First of all, distance between this line and the central axis is 500 mm and thickness is 10 mm and the width is 50 mm. We are taking the this distance of this line from this bottom is 150 mm. Okay, initially we are taking this. Now exit the workbench, use shaft command. This sketch is automatically selected. This is sketch 2 and we have to select the axis. Now click here, axis is shown, preview and OK. You can see the rib is available. Now we require 1 2 3 4 5 6 ribs. That means 5 extra ribs we have to draw. So use this command. This is a rectangular pattern command. Now first select object. What you want to pattern? I want to pattern this rib. So select this. After that select reference element. Reference element means the direction in which you want extra ribs. Okay, so select this axis again. Now what is the spacing? Spacing is 150 mm between two ribs. And what is the number of ribs? Number of ribs are 5 extra ribs we require. You can see the ribs are going in downward direction, so we can reverse this direction. Now preview. One extra rib we require. Preview and okay. Okay, this is also basic structure for rib is completed. Okay, now we will model the top position, top part of this water tank. How look that? This is the look of this top part. And what are the dimensions are given in this PDF. That is, this is the top view of this water tank. We will draw the sketch as per this drawing. So starting, first of all, what is the plane on which you will draw the sketch? So this plane should be with this line, coincidence with this line. Okay, so what is the distance? Complete height is 1200 mm. Okay, and this distance is 30 mm. So 1200 minus 30 is 1170 mm. From this bottom plane we will take an extra plane. So go to the plane command, select plane type offset from plane. So select existing this plane, and what is the distance, offset distance of the new plane? That is 1170. Okay, so this is our new plane on which we will draw our sketch for top design. So select this plane, go to the sketch and start the sketching the shape. Like this video, subscribe our channel and share it as possible. Thank you.